Hey guys, hi, what's up? How are you all? Let me know in the comment section. And for me, the past 2 days have been a little busy at home and at office, so I have not been able to vlog much. And one thing I'm doing these days is like I am just taking my camera with me everywhere. I mean, my phone is always on recording so that I am more comfortable recording, doing my daily life activities. And obviously today is also, I don't think I'm going to record much today. So tomorrow is the weekend. It's Saturday tomorrow. So we plan to go on a walk to Juhu Beach and we are going to IKEA. So finally, so since IKEA has opened, I've been wanting to go here in Mumbai, but I don't know why. It just, we were delaying it for some reason or the other. But finally, this weekend, I am going to IKEA. So I'll be shooting that. I'll be taking y'all along with me. So stay tuned. Hey guys, very good morning. So it's Saturday and we're going for a walk. Damn sleepy, but gotta do this. Let's go. Leaving home right now. Forgot to wear my smartwatch. Just realized, but this guy got me covered. We'll be tracking our walk through an app. And yes, so we are going to Juhu walking. So it's not earlier what we used to do is we used to go by car, park and walk over there at the beach. But then यार मज़ा नहीं आता उसमें because ऐसा लगता है कि यार इतना चलना पड़ रहा है. Mentally I'm like tired walking in that restricted area. So this is something that I like, where I walk towards a destination that I know is coming and I'll reach there at one point. So it keeps me motivated. Cross DN Nagar metro station. That was our 5.5 kilometer mark. And we have another 5 kilometers to go. And we'll finally reach Juhu Beach. Look at this, I love it. I love the vibe. Like when you're nearing a water body, the air smells completely different.
And you see a lot of palm trees.
Yeah, it's more fresh also. Like you feel fresh. It feels like you're breathing in clean air. Shoes आ गए हाथों में and our feet touching the sand, the wet sand and the beach. Love this feeling. Hey guys, so I just got free from my classes and I'm quickly going to get changed and leave for IKEA. We did not record much once we reached the beach because it was too sunny today, and honestly, like, we did not enjoy the time spent there. So we reached, we had some coconut water and we left. Got back home, I had my classes for 4 hours, so I was busy with that. I just washed my face. I'm going to record my makeup routine, and we are leaving for IKEA by 4 p.m. It's You can see that's 250 right now. I think so. Yeah, 250. So we'll be leaving by 4. So let's see how it goes. Hi guys, so this is my look for today. We just left for IKEA. Let me know how you all like this. So I've recorded an entire uh, get ready with me for this look. So if you all want to see that, let me know. I'm not too sure about uploading it, but please comment in the comment section below. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, hit that bell button because it's important. Because every time I upload a new video, I want you to be notified about it. And obviously share this video with your friends. And let's keep growing, guys. So I'll be ending this vlog here, guys, and I'll be giving you the IKEA tour in the second vlog. Alright. Thank you for staying back till the end. Have an amazing weekend or weekday. I'll be seeing you all very soon. Till then, please be safe, keep smiling, be positive, and what? Nothing. कुछ भी तो नहीं. सब तो बोल दिया ना. हाँ, I think so. Anyway, चलो. Bye guys. Take care.